besties? Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. I have barely woken up, but I started cleaning off my island and I got half of it cleaned, and then I have all the Christmas stuff right over here. I have a pile of dishes I need to do from last night, and I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. I put all of the painting stuff right over here because we're gonna be painting in this room next. I just needed to get this done. It was driving me nuts having everything back on my island. I think what I'm gonna do is get ready for the day. I'm literally still in pajamas. I haven't even brushed my hair or done anything yet to get ready. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll meet back up with you guys. I also need to make a list of what I want to get done today, ideally and realistically. I always have big plans. It's so hard to get it all done in a day. I just dropped my purse, unfortunately, and all of my lip gloss is spilled out. Look how many I have in my purse. Like, this is excessive. How did I not know this? That's insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lip glosses, all basically in the same world. I'm cracking up. That's so funny. Let's do a little purse declutter. You know what? Maybe I'll wear this one today. I haven't worn this in a while, the Merit one. So all of these can go in here. Cute. This one will come with me. This hand cream is like done. I'll deal with that later. We need to do this today, so I'm gonna put that in this outer pocket so I don't lose it. All right, now let's properly close this. Here we go. And we're off for errands. Well, hello besties. I finally am ready. It's like almost 11 o'clock. I am so slow this morning. It's absolutely ridiculous. I went to Starbucks already. I'm pretty sure there's a double lid on here, but that's fine. I got my drink. I got my sandwich because I'm starving. I was just gonna go off and run my errands, but then they gave me an extra drink. They made an extra drink that I didn't order and they asked if I wanted it. So I was like, sure. So then I came back home, gave it to Nick because I live right near Starbucks. So I wasn't gonna tell you the game plan before we just went and did it, but I guess I'll tell you this now. This is the sandwich I get, by the way. It's just an egg sandwich. They take the meat off for me because I don't eat pork. I remembered the blonde espresso this time. I'm so happy. So good. I already had coffee this morning, but I literally woke up, did a 30-minute tidy, and then I did my intro with you guys, and then I went back in bed and just laid down for like an hour because I was just exhausted, and I was like, you know what? I need to listen to my body or else Vlogmas is going to suck major booty. But here's my game plan. What we end up doing, you know, it always changes last minute depending on everything. I'm getting crumbs in my lip gloss, and it is the grossest feeling in the world, and I don't have a napkin. Oh well, I'll persevere. So anyway, my plan is I want to go to Ulta and get a gift for my Secret Santa. I want to go to Hobby Lobby and see if they have any oversized ornaments. So thank you for suggesting that because I kind of forgot about Hobby Lobby in a way. And then I need to go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get screws to fit the cabinet in my bathroom because the screws that we got don't fit. And Nick ordered some on Amazon, but he got like super short ones that don't fit. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna take one of the screws, go to Home Depot. And I hate doing that because I never know where anything is and it's like scary. And then people like always ask me if I need help. And normally I do need help, but I don't want help. I feel like I always get so mansplained at Home Depot for some reason. I mean, clearly I don't know what I'm doing in there, but like, I'll figure it out, you know, I'm smart. I'm gonna finish eating though, because I don't want to eat and drive, and then I will check back with you guys after I run my errands, I think. I'm in the Lowe's parking lot, and I did it! I'm so proud of myself. So apparently there's different gauge screws. I didn't even need to ask for help. I did it. They have a little display where you can put your screw in and it'll tell you the gauge that it is. And I was thinking ahead and I got shorter screws, but if it's too long, I got these washers to make my screw shorter. So good thinking. Just home improvement tips by Melissa, or ask somebody who knows what they're doing. That's probably the better way to go. This has been a wild journey. Ulta was chaotic. So was Hobby Lobby. There wasn't much at Hobby Lobby. I did get stockings though. I'll show you when I get home. So I have good news and bad news. So here's the corner unit in my bathroom. And I got the original screws to fit with the washers that I bought, but I don't have enough washers to connect the bottom two knobs. So it's coming along, but I have to go back and get more washers unless I can find some around the house. And I'm honestly not sure if we even have any because we don't have a lot of like extra tool stuff laying around, or hardware, I guess. So I might have to go back out to Lowe's, but at least that's one minor project almost complete. From Hobby Lobby, I found these velvet gold with like damask print stockings. So I got them. They're a little bit like dated, I think, but I really wanted velvet stockings and this is the closest I could find to what I wanted. So I just went for it. I'm sure it'll look good with all of our other stuff. I wish it was just a solid color without the gold foiling on top, but it's still really pretty. So I got 4 of those. And I forgot I was doing that nutcracker project. So I only bought a tiny spray paint for the outdoor Christmas balls, but we'll see what color that is. And if we like it, we can get a bigger one. And then I got a sealer since it's gonna be outdoors. And I'll probably put the sealer on my nutcracker men that I spray. So that's what I got. And then at Ulta, I got the gift. So it's just a body butter from Shea Moisture. And that's my haul. I want to show you all the progress in here. So we changed out the mirror in here. This is my old Anthropologie mirror. And then look at the light fixture. It's like a gold crystal light fixture. So really cool. Obviously we need to clean in here. And then I just bought a new outlet receptacle, I guess it's called, and a new outlet cover. So I'm gonna do that myself. And then I'll see if I can get somebody to do this for me, because I don't know how to do this one, but I watched a video and I feel like I can do that one. So it's looking really good in here. I still need to get a few things for this room. Actually, I need something to hold the toilet paper, and I also need something to hold the paper towels. So I'm gonna get that. Ideally, I would completely change out this vanity, but I think for now, I might just change out the faucet, and then when we redo the floors, I can change out the vanity, just because that's like a lot of money and time and labor and energy. And because this doesn't have any storage, that's why this thing is coming in handy. So these are the updates. Let me see if you can see it better with the light off. There we go. So it matches the mirror really well. It's nice and centered. I really love it. I think it looks so glam and pretty. There is some painting updates. Let me show you. And this wall here is painted. Obviously we need to do the baseboards and the trim, but at least this wall is started. And then we get to wrap around to the rest of the kitchen. And then I'm gonna be changing out this light fixture for a new one. I have the light fixture right here, so I'll insert a picture of what the new light fixture looks like. It's just a more brassy color. And then this one, I feel like I've said this like last Vlogmas, I don't even know. But the one that we have in here right now is like rosy gold for some reason. Like it's not a true gold, and it's throwing off the vibes. But once I get all the hardware in, all the gold hardware, I'm not gonna be doing any more gold in the home. Then I'm gonna bring in more textures and colors and stuff, but I wanted to get the base down. So I'm sure everything in my house right now just looks white and gold, but I promise you there's gonna be more than that. I just needed all the basic stuff done. Today's video is going to be a little bit short today. I think I'm going to quit filming for the day. It's 6 o'clock. That way I can do everything that I need to do outside of Vlogmas, and I need to prep for Vlogmas days to come. I've been trying to prep after I finish editing by like 9-10 o'clock at night, but I get too tired to even think after filming all day and then editing for hours and then work. I'm sorry this one is short, but that means tomorrow's can be longer. So let's go open my advent calendar and then I will say good night to you all. Time to see what day 14 has for us. Hair Ritual by Cicely. Restructuring Nourishing Balm. Well, it's super cool. I've never tried anything from Cicely as far as hair care, so can't wait to try that. But thank you all so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. We have reached the end. We have completed 2 whole weeks of Vlogmas, which I never thought I would be able to do. It's so crazy. I know some of my videos are shorter than others, but still, what an accomplishment. And thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in day 15. Bye.